Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is my perm rod set, and my hair has already been washed and detangled. You can see how soft my hair is, no products. And right now I'm trying to work in a section because working in the smaller section is more easier for me. My hair is already been detangled and moisturized here, and I'm trying to start from the back. The back is more difficult for me to handle. You can see I'm kind of struggling with this roller here, right here. And I use this, my setting lotion, I use the Lotta Body setting lotion for my rolling. And if you want to see the end result of this hair, please keep on watching. And please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So at this point, I realized I ran out of my perm rod set and I have to figure it out. I have some flexi rod at home, so I added the flexi rod in the head to finish the whole head. You can see all done, so I have to set off rods in my head right now. Just checking it out. This is the end result. So at night time, I just take my scarf to tie the hair down. If you have a satin bonnet, you can use that. At this point, I don't have the hair bonnet, so this one works as well. So I'm just tying my hair down. So bedtime, night. See you the next morning. So this is the next morning. Let's just hope, finger crossed on this hair. So I'm trying to, stay calm, the prayer hands, like, please let this come out great because I have somewhere to go this morning. Let this hair not disappoint me. Okay, one down. You can see the hair is shining. The lower body did great. Let's just hope it's bouncing as well. Okay, continue taking the rods down and still shaking the hair out. Okay, this is the separation time, so I'm separating the hair to get it more fuller. Yeah, it's not bad. It came out. It could be better, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm happy. I'm happy with the result. Yay, I'm all done. The hair came out great. You can see, wow, I'm happy. I'm happy with myself. In fact, I'm proud of myself. I did great. Okay, right now I'm just checking myself out, do a little bit of touch up, down, check myself out. That's what I'm doing a little bit of happy dance and all that. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, guys. Bye. See you next time.